Hey there, I am back with another unboxing video. It's for the Mpow Flame Bluetooth headphones. I actually bought these a while ago, a few months ago. I'd been using these other earbuds that you can see right here. These are a brand called Mpow. Anyways, the sound went out of one of the earbuds on these, so I ended up buying these, and basically the sound came back on those earbuds, so I ended up not having to use or open these this new pack of earbuds. The other thing is, in general, I tend to go through earbuds fairly quickly. I've purchased more expensive ones, and the same thing inevitably happens. Sound just stops coming out of one ear. I've had Jaybirds, I've had, what else? I can't even think of the brands. Jaybirds the one that I've probably gotten twice. I had a wireless pair that I'm forgetting, probably like $100 or so. Again, they always break, so I just end up, lately I've just been buying these cheaper ones that are like 20, 30 bucks. The Mpows that I just showed you a second ago, I think those were in that range. This company, Mpow, I basically just went with them because the price range, they're at 20 bucks. They are the number one selling, let me get this straight, I'll go on the Amazon page. They are the number one bestseller in earbud and in-ear headphones at Amazon at the time of this recording. So that's why I bought them. They look so much like these Mpows, it's kind of funny to me. These companies are basically just kind of copycatting each other, I guess, or that's what it seems like. Anyways, got that. I think for 20 bucks, you kind of get what you pay for from the standpoint. It's like, sounds, I assume it's going to be adequate. I'm not expecting to be blown away, but I'm paying 20 bucks for it. How the heck do I actually do this? Oops. Oh man. I feel like I'm gonna just have is that a word, to have like a rage unboxing where I just freaking tear this thing apart? Why? Sorry, here we go. So got this foam case. An important reminder, headphone can only be charged by 5-volt adapters / USB ports only. Any issues with the Bluetooth connection, contact blah blah blah. Little mini instruction booklet. And this is probably gonna unzip this. Here are the actual earbuds. Got this like weird metallic finish, which I personally am not a fan of the metallic finish. I'd rather just it be plastic, and I don't know. I'd rather not even the brand and logo be this big. It's like I'm not sure the brand Mpow has like a ton of weight. It's not like if you're rocking these things, anyone's gonna I don't know, think much of it, I guess. They also kind of look like like Beats by Dre, obviously like the generic version or whatnot. But again, myself, I buy these because it's 20 bucks. The reality is they'll probably stop working, or the sound will come out of one ear. I'm gonna estimate in worst case probably 3 months, best case a year, but more than likely probably like 6 months or so. I think that's kind of what I've been expecting. The wire's pretty long out of the screen. Just the general feels fairly sturdy. Whoa, this has like a very short USB plug. It's like super short actually. It's actually, the length of this is actually shorter than the earbuds by a long shot. It's like, I don't know. Some people will probably find this annoying, to be frank. I don't think it's going to be a big deal for myself, but anyways, they got some extra earbuds in here. Another thing with these earbuds is they have the wraparound to wrap around your ear. I think I mentioned the AirPods by Apple. I haven't bought those or owned those. The standard earbuds by Apple that come with the iPhone, I find them to generally not fit my ears well, so I kind of do prefer these wraparound things, even though they're kind of ugly, and you end up a lot of times with an actual wire, so it's not like a true wireless earbud, but it is what it is. It's still better than plugging into a phone, even though obviously the sound will be worse. Anyways, that's it for the latest unboxing. Honestly, rambled a bit. It's been a while. I might actually do a review after I try these out for a bit. It's something I've been considering, to actually start reviewing these products instead of just unboxing them. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.